In this video, I am going to show you how to import Shapefile from your computer in ArcGIS Online and save your map. In ArcGIS Online, there is an option of adding custom shapefiles directly from your computer or external drive. To do this, click on Add and then click on Add Layer from File. Now locate the file that you want to import. Unlike ArcGIS Desktop or Pro that require shapefiles to be unzipped to import, the shapefiles has to be zipped to import into ArcGIS Online. You can also import text files or CSV files. Select the file that you want to import. Let's import the boundary shapefile of Manitoba. Let's check the Keep Generalized Features option. So ArcGIS Online generalizes the symbology and display. If you want to keep the original features as it is, then select this option. We see entire Manitoba filled with single color. We can edit color as per our need. To make the base map visible, we can increase the transparency of the layer. Now we can see the municipalities underneath. Click on OK to apply the setting and click Done. We can rename the layer. Let's rename as Manitoba. Here we can also see the Manitoba municipal boundaries that we imported from the Living Atlas layer. Let's rename precisely as Manitoba provincial boundary. We can zoom in and out to reach to the specific location we want. Now let's save this map first. On the Save Map option, provide the project or file name. Write some tags so you can search your files more precisely. Write a brief summary of what this file or project is and specify the location on the ArcGIS Cloud server to save the file or your work. I have created some folders for my work. To find your saved files, go to the My Content page on the home page. You can create different folders to save your work the way we do in our computer. Now I can share this map in ArcGIS Online platform, as the main purpose of this online version is to share your GIS work, which is both a strength and weakness of ArcGIS Online. In Google Earth Pro, you can export your map, but in ArcGIS Online, it doesn't have an export option, but there is an option to save your map to use in your report or publication. The option is to print the map. Click Print and then Print Map with Legend. Let's see how it looks like. I actually wanted to print the whole map of the province, but it came like this. Now I'm going to the map and zoom out the map a little bit and print. Let's see how it looks like. Here we go. Now I can take a screenshot of this image with Legend and save the map by right-clicking and then clicking on Save Image As. Another option I would take is to take the screenshot of the map as it is without printing. On Mac, I prefer to take a screenshot of the map and legend I want. You can also create a presentation from this map by clicking on the Create Presentation menu, which is on the top right corner beside the profile picture. There are different options, so you can choose one that you prefer. In this video, we learn about how to import custom shapefiles from your computer or external hard drive into ArcGIS Online and make map, save map, and export map for your use.